Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to file compensation for delayed flights with American Airlines. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to aa.com and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where it says Contact American. Click that. And here there actually is no option for compensation for delayed flights, but they do have a chat feature which you can click over here in the bottom right, and you can talk to an AI about your delayed flight and compensation for that. If you don't want to go that route, you can call a phone number that we'll place in the description below the video, and you can also find a link to a form in the description of this video to file a complaint for your delayed flight. And here I've brought up that page from the link in the description, and it's Contacting American, and there's going to be three little boxes here, the topic, and so we're going to hit complaints, and the second one we're going to say it's going to be a complaint, and the third one we're going to select a reason, and that's for delayed or canceled flights. And that'll open up another form below where you type in your title, your name, last name, your country, your street address, city, state, and postal code. And then underneath that, we're going to fill in our phone number and our email address. And then again, below that, it's going to ask for your flight information. So you'll just type in all the information for your flight, which includes the flight number, the flight date, where it's from and to where it goes. And then you'll scroll down on the screen, and here you can write a message that explains your complaint and what happened. I just wrote, my flight was delayed and I want compensation. And go ahead and submit it, and that will get the ball rolling for your complaint. But if you go back up to the top of that screen or go to that link again in the description, there's going to be a list of helpful links. One of them is going to be receipts and refunds. And from here you can see a list of different refunds that they offer. And then some more help. You can always send them a letter in the mail, and be sure to include your passenger names, email or US email address, reason for request, receipts, ticket numbers, date of travel, and departure and airline cities. And again, you can always click the FAQ, the frequently asked questions, and this will come up with a list of commonly asked questions about refunds and receipts on AmericanAirlines.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or concerns, please drop them in the comment section below. Thank you very much.